For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, this is your friend Hitendra Soneji again, coming up with a new knowledge sharing session. How to use positive affirmations for our success. See, everybody requires success in their life, right? So to become a successful person, you have to do something, you have to work on something to get the desired success which you are looking for. So one way to get the success is to have a positive affirmations. Then how to use these positive affirmations are very, very important. So affirmations are positive statements that describe a desired situation and which are repeated many times in order to impress the subconscious mind and trigger it into positive actions. In order to ensure the effectiveness of the affirmations, they have to be repeated with intention, conviction, with belief, interest and desire. Just imagine that you are swimming with your friends in a swimming pool. They swim 15 rounds, something you have never done before. And as you want to win their respect, you want to show them that you can make it too. So you start swimming and at the same time keep repeating in your mind, I can do it. I can do it. So you keep thinking and believing that you are going to complete the 15 rounds. What are you actually doing? You are repeating positive affirmations in your mind. So most people repeat in their minds negative words and statements concerning the situations and events in their lives and consequently create undesirable situations. So what we think we attract. If you think negative, you will attract negative things. When you think positive, you start attracting positive things. So words and statements work at both ways to build or destroy. Often people repeat negative statements in their minds without even being aware of what they are doing. So do you keep thinking and telling yourself that you cannot do something, you are too lazy, lack inner strength, or that you are going to fail? So your subconscious mind accepts as true what you keep saying and eventually attracts corresponding events and situations into your life, irrespective whether they are good or bad for you. So why not choose only positive statements? So affirmations program the mind in the same way the commands and scripts program a computer. They work in a same manner as creative visualization. The repeated words help you focus your mind on your aim. So your repeated words keep you reminding about your goals, where you have to go, what you have to do, and automatically build corresponding mental images in the conscious mind which affect the subconscious mind. Initially we do it consciously and doing it consciously, so that conscious efforts will be getting registered in your subconscious mind. The conscious mind, the mind you think with, starts this process, and then the subconscious mind takes charge. by using this process consciously and intently, you can affect your subconscious mind and thereby transforming your habits, behavior, mental attitude and reactions, and even reshape your external life. Always affirm in the present tense. This is most important thing to be noted. This keep in your mind, the affirmation should be in the present tense, not in the future tense. Right? For example, we say I will be rich means that you intend to be rich one day in the indefinite future, but not now. Instead, say I am rich. So now instead, what you have to say? I am rich. So this present tense affirmation will going to help you to become a rich person. The power of affirmations can help you to transform your life and be successful in both your lives, whether it is personal or professional life. You can be. So your affirmation should be in present moment, right? I want to become a rich man one day. That is what you are talking about is the future tense. But what the affirmations, the positive affirmation says that the sentences should be in the present moment, that I am rich. I am a rich person. So always remember that whatever you want to have in future, so you have to assume that you have already achieved or you have already accomplished your goals, dreams, wishes which you wanted to have in future. So that is the power of your positive affirmations. So make a list of the positive affirmations and try it out and see what results do you get. You get fantastic results. I have tried and I have succeeded. So hope you will also try and you will also succeed. Thank you very much.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.